Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we've got a great product review for you today. Here it is. I'm going to pause for a thumbnail. We've got some fun stuff. These are stackable. They're for your shoes. It's pretty interesting. I got my wife here to let me borrow her Michael Kors shoes to show you, a little light off that, to show you how easily these things are for stacking. So actually, I'm gonna take her shoes out. Doesn't she have a nice pair of shoes here? Like, these are pretty classy. I wish she would wear them every once in a while. So, we're gonna take Jennifer's shoes and show you how you can stack them and save space in your closet. This comes to us from a startup company out of Vancouver, and I'll put their information in the description below with links to where you can buy this. But essentially, they're a startup company that was traveling, I believe it was in Osaka, Japan. They saw this type of product and they thought, hey, we need to bring this to the US. It's a great space saver. Because I'll admit, like, when I go out and I stack stuff, I put my stuff in my closet, and I got big feet, so it takes up a lot of space. You put your shoes pretty much like this, right? Well, with this product, you're gonna save space here, right? You're stacking them essentially on top of each other to where you're using half as much space. So in theory, if you have, and I don't have several pairs of shoes with me, but you can go ahead and put, you know, pair of shoes, pair of shoes, pair of shoes. You're saving, you know, you're using half the space. You're saving, you know, 50% there. So this is a nice little product, fairly inexpensive. Link in the description below. It's something that they're using overseas where, you know, some countries don't have as much space as, in this case, I'm in the US, so I don't have as much space in the US as in the US. But if you're looking to save a little space, this works for big or small shoes. I want to use something with a heel to show you they work with heels, but also if you just got a big pair of sneakers like I would, easily fits on there as well. My size 13 moccasins that I'll wear. But it's a neat product, and I'll put a link in the description below. I'm on my way to fantastic Las Vegas later today. Gonna have a good time with our channel partner, Sean. Also posts on 911 Reviews. We're hopefully gonna go check out Fremont Street tomorrow. I'm only there for 2 days, so if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the description below. We've got great product here, low price, saves a lot of space, and for reference, multiple colors, right? So you can get what you like, when you like it, save some space in your closet. Definitely worthwhile. Anyway, folks, if you're looking to save time and space, go ahead and pick these up. If you're looking to have some fun reviews, product reviews, check out 911reviews.com. That's our website where we have all of our reviews from both Rockstar Reviews and 911 Reviews. And if you like this, please click like, ask a question, or go click the subscribe button. And if you click the little bell next to it, you'll get notifications of all our latest reviews. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam, 911 Reviews, and adios, amigos. All right, folks, if you enjoyed that video, go ahead and click the like button, click subscribe, or also check out one of these videos. I think you're gonna like them. We've got new videos every single week. We are 911 Reviews. I'm Adam with my buddy Sean, and we do a lot of product reviews. We got Beth and Leanne as well, kicking it off, trying to keep it exciting. So click that subscribe button and check out one of these videos.